Hello! Today I want to bring you through my transformation from platinum blonde back to my natural color of jet black hair. You can see that I'm way overdue for a toning session, so my hair's on the yellow side, but I'm ready for a more low maintenance style. I've been blonde for almost 2 years, so let's get started. The first thing to do is to brush my hair really well and to section it out a little bit. I have pretty curly / wavy hair and it is deceivingly thick. So it may not look that thick, but once I get my hands in there, it takes forever to section it out. I use a bowl, I use a brush, I get some alligator clips in order to help hold the sections as I go through. And I'm going to be using these Ion semi-permanents because I'm not sure if I'm going to love going back to my natural color, so I want it to be semi-permanent. I'm also using this Manic Panic to add a little bit of warmth to my hair so that it's not green, and I'll add just a tiny bit of protein to help it evenly saturate my hair. This Tangle Teaser is what I'm going to use to make sure that I run the color all the way from my roots to my ends and evenly saturate every single strand. I make sure that I've mixed it really well, and good thing I had my workspace super covered in old towels and wore an old t-shirt because I started spilling immediately. This is the part where I put on the gloves to get started, and I always have an extra pair just in case I need it. I'm pretty nervous about dyeing my hair back to black, which is why I chose the semi-permanent. And I'm not a professional by any means, but this is something that I enjoy doing for fun. I like playing with my hair, and I go to a professional salon maybe 2 or 3 times a year, but otherwise I like to experiment with it myself. It's great to not be using bleach this time because as a semi-permanent and deposit-only type color, I don't have to worry so much about sectioning or taking my time making sure that strands are saturated and going back over them. I usually do this in my bathroom with my bathroom mirror and a large standing mirror behind me to help me cover the back of my head. So this is the first time that I am doing this in front of a camera and without a back mirror for the back of my head, so we'll see how it goes. It looks and feels pretty saturated. I went through it many times. I'm going to leave it about 30 minutes, wash it out, and come back. This is the final product. I'm really happy with how even it turned out and how smooth and healthy my hair feels now.